Chronicles of the Nubian Desert, Secrets of Egypt. Amir, a young and ambitious archaeologist, had always been captivated by the allure of ancient Egypt. The legends of pharaohs, buried tombs, and enigmatic pyramids fueled his dreams. One scorching morning, deep in the heart of the Nubian desert, he and his team stumbled upon an unassuming mound that held the promise of untold secret. With shovels in hand and determination in their hearts, they carefully excavated the site. Soon, they uncovered a hidden chamber, undisturbed for millennia. Inside, they found an area of artifacts and scrolls, an archaeological treasure trove. Among the artifacts was an intricately carved sarcophagus, adorned with hieroglyphs telling a story of a forgotten pharaoh. The scrolls continue the chronicles of the Nubian Desert, a detailed account of this pharaoh's reign and the mystical events that transpired during his time. As Amel translated the hieroglyphs and delved into the scrolls, he was transported back in time. The chronicles revealed a tale of Pharaoh who defied conventions, embracing wisdom and compassion over training. The Pharaoh, named Kapekari, sought to unite the people and bring prosperity to the land. Through the scrolls, Amel discovered a hidden truth. The Pharaoh had a mysterious advisor, an enigmatic sage who possessed incredible knowledge and foresight. It was the sage who guided Kapekari in this quest for a harmonious kingdom. Amel felt a profound connection to this pharaoh, realizing the importance of wisdom and unity in shaping a prosperous society. He vowed to share this ancient story to shed light on the forgotten pharaoh and the sage whose wisdom had the power to inspire a wild hunger for humanity and enlightenment. The chronicles of the Nubian Desert had unlocked a legacy, one that will resonate through the ages.